Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change the text style in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp, just simply go over any of the chats where you would like to stylize the text. And after opening the chat, just simply type anything you want to send to this chat. For example, I'm writing hello, and after that select your chat, and then you can check this option of undo, bold, italic, and then you can easily select this bold and italic option, which is styles available into WhatsApp. And after selecting it, your text will be stylized. You can also choose the italic, monospace, strike through options. I'm selecting all these options to show you, and this way you can very easily stylize your WhatsApp text. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.